What the fuck?
And being able to really be fully present for those that we're interacting with, and we're not looking at our phones.
All of this in route to 35 again. Send it back here this video. Thank you, Lemma and Mike. Let's go to game one of the World Series. Corbin Carroll for the Arizona Diamondbacks. Lines it to center. Misplay. That's going to end up being a triple. 2-run score. Game tied 2-2 in the third. Game tied 3-3 in the fourth inning. Tommy Pham at the plate for Arizona. Got it.
Shit. Man, KUTV stream is a wuss.
This is a test of the emergency alert system. If this had been an actual emergency, official messages would have followed this alert tone.
Oh my god, KUTV stream is a wuss. Okay. Damn.
We'll be right back. Wait.
Get your ass to KAL.